Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Please. Hey! Come on, grab my hand. You saved me. Yep, I'm alive. So who was being to feed us? The Parker is Polafi. Wait, who are you? My name is Princess Flammy. Is am I a hero? It was being nervous. Who is that? Then you have Noma 5.
Hey baby, are we there yet?
Just funny. What are you laughing? It's just funny.
Good, I hope this works.
Oh my god. Everyone look! Be careful!
Oh no. Oh, what the? How is that possible? Wait, I'm sorry. I was being a not nice girl who made a car crash. I'm sorry. We are not being a test. Finally, it was a big dinosaur Wendigo, also a green T-Rex. What did you say? I'm sorry. Because it wasn't a bad nightmare? Yes, the popular name is Wendigosaurus Rex, also Wendigo. It is about becomes a villain, being an evil spirit who comes in being Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Wait! Why are you doing here? Stop talking.
Oh, hello there, fella.
Hello, baby. Wait! Where is your eyes? Your eyes is blinding.
Oh, I'm not lying. Wait. Oh, no. We have to re-explain this. We have to invent this situation. Everyone, learning about this one. So, this is including it was to be a dangerous being, an evil violent, but maybe it's Wendigosaurus Rex that replies being a bad anti-villain. Who is the smartest car, guys? Yes, I know it again.
Good, what's that? Must be an alarm system.
I don't know. What happened? What happened to my phone?
The Polar Weather Service has issued thunderstorm warning until 12:46 afternoon. All everything will damage at this time. Resident, during next time, stay information about this situation.
Oh no, how is that possible? Why is it being a severe thunderstorm warning out from the US? Wow, the big bird was carrying a thunderstorms. It was far from must being that nice that it was being a raining storms with the strongest wind.
The following polar weather service, a thunderstorm warning is until 12:45 p.m. Heavy rainfall, it's about to 13-meter. This is dangerous thunderstorm, can be damaging house and windows. Stay tuned for polar weather service information about this situation.